In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free courses on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Starting from the beginning, open your browser and go to udemy.com. The quickest way to find free content is to use the main search bar. Type the topic you want to learn, for example, Python or digital marketing. Be specific if you can. Adding terms like for beginners, web development, or data analysis helps narrow results. On mobile, the layout looks similar, and the same keywords will bring up relevant courses. After you see the search results, it's time to apply the price filter. Look for the filter button on the results page. It's usually near the top or on the left side. Click or tap it, then find the price section and choose the option labeled free. This immediately removes paid listings, so you only see courses that are currently offered at no cost. Depending on the platform design, you can also use additional filters like language or level to refine results without changing the core step of selecting free under price. Now that the results are showing free courses, take a moment to evaluate each option before enrolling. Scan the course title and subtitle to confirm it covers the exact skills you want. Read the brief description, check the curriculum list to see lesson topics, and preview any free sample lectures provided. Look at the star rating and number of reviews to gauge overall quality, and take a quick look at the instructor's profile to see their experience and other courses. When you found a free course that looks right for you, click Enroll Now. Enrolling gives you immediate access to the course materials, so you can start watching videos and downloading resources if the instructor offers them. Enrollment is usually instant and doesn't require payment details for truly free courses. Keep in mind some free courses are offered for a limited time, so if something looks useful, enroll sooner rather than later. After enrolling, the course will appear in your Udemy library so you can return to it whenever you like. Work through the lectures at your own pace. Make use of any downloadable files, and engage with the Q&A or discussion areas if you have questions. That's all there is to it. Search, filter to free, and enroll. A simple process that opens up a lot of learning opportunities without spending a dime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful.